We're going to create a lithophane image out of a raster picture, which just means an image that's either a JPEG or PNG that has pixels. You can do this with all sorts of images. You can do it with your own personal images. If you save them or upload them, you can do it with images you find online. It's totally open to you what kind of picture you want and what format you make it. So what you're going to do is first find an image. I made it easy. I just downloaded the cutest little Yoda-like baby picture I could find, and then I saved it to my desktop. Then what I'm going to do is go to Images, and I'm going to choose my file, and I saved it and called it Baby Yoda, and it can be a JPEG. If you see here, it should tell you. It can be any image file type. You can then change the settings. So if you click right there, you can go to the image setting and make it positive or negative. You can flip it, do all sorts of fun stuff, so play around with those. And then when you look at this, you can change the shape. So what you're going to do is select the shape you want and then click refresh. And it'll change your image to that shape. So now, if I look at it, I should be able to see it from the top. It does look a little bit creepy. This will download as an STL, so it can be 3D printed. We can also make it so that it works on the laser printer. This is just a neat way to play with images, and there are a bunch of different websites online that you can find that do different things with lithophanes. So if you type in Lithophane Maker, you're going to find all sorts of fun applications. You can make night lights on this one, so play around with it. I don't care if you use the site that I gave you or a different one. If you find one that you really like and you want to print it, you can. The only thing I'll warn you about is some of these sites want you to pay. We're not going to pay. So if it says give me your email or something like that, then I would pick a different one. Once you've decided how you want yours to look and you've got it in the Lithophane Maker, whichever one you choose, then to turn it in, you're going to download it. It should download as an STL, which means we can 3D print it. That's it.